Right, cut open the box. Ooh. So one of the things I'm most excited to test with this, compatibility. Like I have a lot of equipment that I would like to use this with. Excited to see just how compatible it is. You know, because I don't just want to use this with my cameras. I also want to use this with my action cameras, and I want to use it with my sound system. You know, if we do a party event. All right, so this is the mics. We got nice carrying case, of course. Wouldn't expect anything less from DJI. We have some wind dead cats. Don't like that name too much. I don't know why they call it dead cats. I love cats. Why would you want them dead? USB Type C, male to male, 3.5 millimeter, and manuals. Alright, so that's everything. I'm just curious. Sorry, I'm kind of worked up on coffee. I drink one of these every single day. Excuse me if I'm hyper. Alright, so let's just do this real quick. So 259 grams. This weighs almost the same as a Galaxy Z Fold. This is 286. The mics are 260. So a couple grams off, but I mean, if you ever felt a Z Fold, you know that it's a pretty heavy phone, usually. Nice. Okay. We got the receiver. Alright, now this is light. This is really light. This is also really light. That's pretty cool. Sweet. So for iPhone and USB-C. Believe you me, I will test the compatibility of these things. Because, like, let me show you this. Let me show you this for a second. So in my family, I'm known as the audio man and the cameraman and the photographer and the IT guy. I'm known in my family by a lot of names, but one of those roles, the audio guy. Oh man, I got this behemoth from Ion. So this is from Ion, and this is for events, family events, parties, whatnot. I come from a family that likes to talk a lot. I mean a lot. Lectures, spirituals, uplifting speeches. They talk a lot. So I got this for those family events, and it works really well. It works great with my CR88 Samsung. I'm saying Samsung. I'm not saying Samsung. Wonder which company came first. Anyway, it works great with this wireless mic system. And the beauty of having this is that, you know, the range is pretty decent. So, yeah, my family can just walk around in the audience and give their long, boring talks. The system did come with its own wired mic, but it's not very long, so you can't really go very far from this. But one of the nice things about this is that it's portable. It's battery powered. However, it is heavy. You don't exactly want to haul this around with the mic as you're hovering through the audience and talking, you know? Not going to want to do that. And then the UM1, forget it. This thing sucks with the... I mean, this thing sucks in general. So there's no surprise why it sucks with the Ion speaker. So this is not even feasible. You can't even use this. Forget it. But if I can use this and this with this, now we talking. Yeah, so let me do some testing and I'll get back with you with my findings. And believe me, it will be a thorough testing.